Hi, this is Aldo from excelninja.com. In this video we're going to be talking about filters and how to use them to help you navigate information. So say for instance you have your sales data for your products, and you have your revenue, profit, and the profit as a percentage of revenue, and you want to just have a look at which products perform the best or the worst. And let's also imagine that you got hundreds of them, so you got many more rows than what I have here. A good way of doing this is to use filters. You apply filters by basically selecting the headers of your table. So for instance, sort and filter, and then you go down here to filter, and as you will notice there will be a few icons added here, and these basically tell you that there is a filter applied to all these columns. And the way you're going to use them now is basically you click on the down arrow and you have a number of options that you can use with these filters. So for instance, the first one is more obvious, is you can sort from A to Z. So for instance, they're already A to Z now, so let's go Z to A, and as you can see now they are in reverse order, in alphabetical order, and more importantly, and they have maintained all the information. So these get filtered, they're reordered as well. Let's go back to the beginning. Again, everything else gets resorted. What you can also do, you can select specific ones. So for instance, you want to show only product A, product C, product E, and product G. You just click on them, and there you go. You can only see those ones that you have selected. You can see here that Excel will tell you that there's a filter that has been applied to your selection. Furthermore, let's say that okay, you're happy with this selection, but you want to select a bit further down in terms of profits. So now it shows you the numbers are available, profits that relate only to those 4 already filtered products, and you can further select the whole range of data. So now you only have 3. What you can do, you can clear the filter, so you go back to where you were before, and similarly here you can clear the filter from product, so you go back to the original table. An important additional feature that you can use is, in this particular case, because it's text information, you can use text filters. So in this, I just want to show you have different options here, all related to text filters. But what I want to show you is basically something, say I want to highlight all the products that contains the letter A or the letter contain, where is it here, the letter E, for instance. Let's see what this gives us. Product A, product E, and again all the information related to that. Let's clear this filter from the products, back to the original. Another very useful filter that you can use is, say for instance, here you will notice that someone has forgotten to type in the revenue for product E. There's lots of them that you got hundreds and thousands of rows, so you want to check where there is missing information. So the best way of doing this is go to the revenue filter, click on it. As you will notice here you have all the various numbers, but also you have blanks. So by selecting only blanks, it will bring up, you will filter all the products that got missing information. So hopefully you'll have a number of different products here where then you can remember to type in the information that is missing. So for instance, let's type in here $12,000, and there you go, you're back to having everything that's got the proper information. The other thing I want to show you is with regards to numbers, you can do kind of filters like greater than, for instance. So for instance, I want to show greater than and then you put the number there. So I want greater than $2,500, and again it brings up all the relevant information that satisfy the condition. I just want to clear that, and then an additional one. I want to show the top or the above average. Let's show the above average products in terms of profit, and as you can see, basically Excel will work out an average based on the information contained there, and then I say above average, and here you have the ones above average. You want to do below average, same concept. You want to show the products that got revenue, which they have revenue which is above average but profit below average, as we've selected, and here they are, product E, product G. They got revenue above average but profit below average, thereby they've got a lower percentage margin. So again, filters are very powerful tools to filter in or out information. Just one last thing I want to show you, and say for instance, okay, we got the information of the products above average. I want to copy and paste it in another sheet, so I've got copy, paste. What you will notice here is that the what I've copied, by filtering, it only selects and then copy and paste only the products are actually selected. So I can basically filter, do my selections here using the filters, copy and paste the information here, and play with information I've filtered. Just one thing, realize that the information hasn't got any more formulas here. So if you do want the formulas, you got copy, paste special, formulas, there you go, and you do still have formulas. So to summarize, filters, really good way of selecting the information that you need in Excel.